Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel. So I couldn't let October go by without doing a sugar skull tutorial. So this is a Mexican festival called the Day of the Dead. It's where they pay their respect to the loved ones that have passed on to the other side. I absolutely love it. There's so many different ways that you can create this look, but this is my version, and if you want to learn how I created this, stick with me and I'm going to give you a guide. So the first step is to prime your face. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. Very important to do this. It makes your makeup go on a lot easier, a lot smoother. So the next step, I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil and I'm drawing out the shape of the eye sockets. Okay, so for the black today, I'm going to be using a gel eyeliner, and this is by LA Girl. Don't worry about being too precise, you just want to get the rough outline of it. You can always go back and clean it up later. So you want to take quite a big brush for this to make it easier for yourself. I'm using one by P. Louise and this is from their Mirror collection. Okay, so that is a lot of gel that we've just used. So you want to set that so it doesn't move. I am using the EYM Brights Beauty Bay palette and I'm taking the shade Illicit, which is a black, popping it all over the top, and that is going to set it so it doesn't shift throughout the night. So I'm just taking the gel eyeliner again with a small detail brush and I'm carving out the shape of a nose. Then I'm going to fill the whole section in, and again I'm going to use the black Illicit shade to set that so it doesn't move. So off of camera, I just popped on some mascara and some falsies. These are Tatty Lashes by TL Mitchell. They're a bit hard to pick up here on the camera, but when you're out and about in real life, you turn your head to the side, people are going to notice your eyelashes. So for the white face, I've opted for grease paint and I'm using the Kryolan Super Colour in Clown White. I think it's the best one out there. It gives you the best coverage. Make sure you set it with a translucent or a white powder so that it doesn't shift. So for the larger area, I'm making life easier for myself and using a Real Techniques sponge. Please don't use your best sponge because you know what, the chances are it will ruin it. This is just an old one that I don't use anymore, so I'm quite happy to use it for my theatrical makeup. So now I'm using a baby wipe to clean my lips because I'm going to be putting a red over the top and I want it to be a deep red, not a pink. So I chose to wear the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mary Jo K. I absolutely love this stuff. If you've used them before, you know how good they are. Once you put them on, they last the entire night. So here is where the fun starts. You can start decorating your face and let your imagination and creativity run wild. What I tend to do is use the white eyeliner from earlier, and I will map out on my face where I want the designs to go. That way I can play about with it. If I don't like it, I can easily cover it up. So I'm creating the illusion of teeth. This is one of the most traditional looks that you can do for the mouth. So I'm just using some eyelash glue as adhesive to stick my diamantes to. You can get kits that are already designed in the shape of an eye socket. If you can get them, I would recommend that you do. This was painstaking. It took a long time for me to do it. My nails are long. I kept dropping them. It was a nightmare. The effect came out really good. I liked the way it looked, but it's time consuming. So if you are in a hurry and you've got that party to go to, I would suggest using a brand maybe like Gypsy Shine. I know they do quite a few different designs. Yeah, and that's going to be a lot easier for you. If you saw my face just then, I was so happy that I'm gluing the last stone on. Then I've put a big stone in the middle, and I just decided to put a few little dots on because I felt it looked a bit plainer than what I would normally go for, like I do this every day. But yeah, I thought it looked a bit plain, so I just wanted a little bit more detail on there. What's my face missing? I know, more diamantes. My chin was looking a bit bare, so I just popped this little design on there, and I think it completed the look. I think it brought it all together. So here we have it, Sugar Skull, aka Day of the Dead look. So off a camera, I popped in some contact lenses to make my eyes look as if they were blind. I applied a black curly wig, and then this is a rose headband on top, which is a very traditional Mexican look. I really enjoyed doing this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I loved creating it, and I hope to see you guys on my next tutorial. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. It really does mean the world to me. Happy Halloween. Take care. Mwah!